Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Agus Fáilte Gadi Ceacht Nua. Welcome to a new lesson. This week we're going to look at 4 tools you can use to help your children with their Irish homework at school and to help you help them with their Irish homework at school. So this is also for translating in Irish, pronunciation in Irish and grammar in Irish. The 4 best tools and what to use each of them for and how to use them as well. Achar those, firstly, if you are an Irish mammy or daddy and you have an interest in the Irish language and you also have an interest in helping your kids with the Irish language at school, whether it be their homework or their schoolwork, then our Irish Mammy and Daddy membership is for you and it's going to be opening up again soon too. So do check down below in the description for that waitlist and pop your name on there, and then you'll hear from me in the near future with regards to membership. We give little mini lessons to the parents every single week. We do monthly extra help with lessons. It's all online on demand, so you can just listen to your lessons and watch them whenever you want. They're very short, it's very easy for mammies and daddies. All of our mammies say that it's very, very easy to add into their busy week, and also their kids start speaking Irish back to them at home, so it's absolutely amazing. So that waitlist is down below and just pop your name on there. Achar Eileen, on we go. The first one, and Chéad Ceann, is folklore.ie. Now this is best for phrases and translating, so just your ordinary everyday phrases, and also if you want to translate something from English to Irish, this is the place you should go to first because you can trust everything that you get here, whereas in Google Translate you cannot. Folklore.ie is also good for pronunciation of just words on their own. It gives you each word pronounced in each of the dialects. So just showing you folklore.ie, you've got Irish and English options up here. There is an app you can get for your phone. I prefer to use this website on just a browser on my phone. I think it's better, but you can check that out and see if you like it. So type in any English word you want here. Now, if you're looking for a phrase, just type in the keyword of that phrase, but you can also try short phrases. For example, happy birthday. It would have happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy Christmas. So they're short phrases that you can get, and you also get some other phrases. Now, if you do a word on its own, then this is where you're going to get a lot more phrases and options. You can press see more results and you can get full sentences in Irish, like my mum's birthday, what date is your birthday? So questions as well, it's great for. Now you can use Control F to quickly search for something rather than reading everything. So that's always a handy one. And for pronunciation, you have Connacht, Munster and Ulster here. So you can click on them and hear the word pronounced in each of the dialects. It's also great for looking up words that have a different meaning in different contexts. For example, I was just checking the spelling of shell earlier for one of the workbooks. So when you go to shell, it can have shell on the beach, of a crab, of an egg. So there's loads of different ones here. And then you can click on it and it'll bring you down to it. So sluggon is shell. You can hear it in the dialects. And then if you scroll down, then you can get lots of different phrases as well. So it's a very, very handy one and very handy for modern Irish as well. So folklore.ie will be your first go-to when you want to translate something from English to Irish. Now on Chéad Ceann, the next one is changlin.ie. So changlin.ie is best for saying, so you're thinking of your older Irish, your Shannock. If you can't find something on folklore.ie, or if it's a Shannock or something like that, you should go to changlin.ie first. It's great for that. It's the Folklore O'Donnell, if you're familiar with it, the OG dictionary, but it's online. Now, it's absolutely amazing for grammar, and it also has pronunciation function as well that's similar to folklore.ie. So let's check changlin.ie now. So again, you've got your English and Irish options up here. And then you have 5 different sections on this. You've got 3 dictionaries, the Folklore Gaelge Béarla, the Irish English Dictionary, on Folklore Bug, which is an Irish dictionary, and then you have the English Irish Dictionary as well. Now you have a grammar database and a pronunciation database that are amazing. Now in the Irish English Dictionary, you'll get some phrases as well. So let's go with ban for woman. You will get lots of different ones, like they even have midwife and lots of different variations. So you'll be reading, the bold writing is obviously the Irish, and then it'll have what it is in English beside it. This little sign here means that you're using just the word on its own, ban. So ban Hionn is Sean's wife. And when you scroll down, then you'll get some phrases as well. Again, they're a little bit more old-fashioned, a little bit older, Shannockle as well. So folklore.ie is great for modern things and this will be great for other stuff, but I sometimes check both as well. Now, my all-time favorite thing about Changlin.ie is definitely its grammar database. So this is going to help you with Irish grammar so much. As you know, in Irish, when words come together, we change the spelling, which we never do in English, but we do it in Irish. We have shevus, which is the letter H that we pop in after the first letter. We have urus, little letters that you put before the letters in Irish. We change how the end of words are spelt in the Tishilginnach and the plural. So we've got a lot going on, and this is one place where you can find the answers. So for example, we're under noun and adjective. You've got loads of different options. If I choose an adjective, and you do need to type in Irish, so you may need to use the English-Irish dictionary first. But I'm going to type in ma, which is good, and then it'll tell me that good woman is ban va, or banwa, it depends on your dialect. So that tells me that there's a shevu there. Also gives you the tishilgindach and it gives you the plural. So the good women is na mna maha, the good women. So it gives you a lot there. Now, if you just type in a word on its own, actually, under grammar, then you get this, which is amazing as well. So it tells you that it's feminine, it's a noun. Ban is woman, but the woman is on van. The tishilgindach is na mna. So if you're saying the woman's hat, you would say hatte na mna, and it gives you the tishilgindach. If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. Plural is just your normal plural, like the women, na mna. And then you've got the tishilgindach plural. So a word on its own, you'll get all that. A verb, let's go fi to get. With a verb, you get all of the different tenses. So you can get past, present, future, and all of the different persons, me, you, him, her, us, you, and them. And then, of course, you've got your pronunciation. So type any word in Irish, and again, it has to be in Irish, so use the English-Irish dictionary if you need to. Click pronunciation and you'll get that word in Ulster, Connacht and Munster. The next one is Google Translate and ChatGPT. Now, I am not a fan of Google Translate, and the one time I would recommend using it is to translate from Irish to English. In this case, I think it's an amazing resource. If you have instructions in your child's homework or you have a big chunk of Irish that you need to get the gist of, or you need to understand what that is in English, then definitely copying and pasting or typing it into Google Translate or ChatGPT. I recommend Google Translate over Chat, and you can just easily copy and paste in there and get quite a good translation. However, going the other way from English to Irish is not reliable. It makes mistakes very often, sometimes with very, very simple sentences. It will use Irish words that are sometimes in the wrong context as well. For English to Irish, use folklore.ie first, use changlin.ie, ask a teacher, ask me, ask a fluent speaker, ask a native speaker before ever trying to use Google Translate. The last one is aber.ie. I mentioned this in all of my videos. This is amazing for dialects and pronunciation. You can also speak into it as well. What differentiates aber.ie to changlin.ie and folklore.ie for pronunciation and dialects is that you can put in a whole sentence and you'll be able to hear that whole sentence in each of the dialects. So rather than just a word, you can use it for sentences as well. It's absolutely amazing. All you do is type in your whole sentence here in Irish, and then you click the area that you're interested in. You've got Ulster Irish, Connacht Irish, and Munster Irish. Now, I get asked a lot, where is our Leinster dialect? There is no Leinster dialect of Irish. However, if you are from Leinster and you're stuck, you can choose Munster, which is more phonetic. It more closely resembles the standard Irish which you would learn in school and is in print media, etc. So choosing the Munster Irish will help you out the most with translation because they tend to pronounce more syllables and letters. Here in Meath, that is a little tiny Gaeltacht that was created by people moving from Connacht over. So that is a Connacht dialect there, not a specific Leinster dialect. Agus sin é, that's it. I hope you found that useful. Maybe you learned about a resource you didn't know, or you learned how to use them better or where you should use them. This is, of course, just my opinion as an Irish teacher, but those are the tools that I use, and that is how I use them, and I recommend using them. However, if you would like more help than that, then our Mammy and Daddy membership is the place to go. So check down in the description, pop your name on the wait list, or you might even see that it's open when you're watching this video. Check that out and subscribe to our newsletter down below. You get free Irish every single week, little mini lessons, and you get free Irish for the kids, fun workbooks for them as well. Gur míle maith agad, thank you so much. Agus slán go fóill, bye for now.